I got the work truck here. Time for the next step in improving the work truck. And let's start back there on the bed. This may improve aerodynamics because these older trucks obviously are not very aerodynamic. But it's also just going to really help with keeping the bed clean and anything I put in there, keep it out of the weather. So you probably already know what it is. Alright, for starters back here, I'm going to go ahead and take my spare tire out because it's going to get moved. Find my key. Obviously, that was to lock it in, so no one runs off with my spare. It's happened before. And I'm going to go ahead and move my spare. So I'm going to drill some new holes to run that through. Now last time I used one of these, there's no drilling required, so it should be easy install. And I probably shouldn't do that, but I'm not thinking ahead of time at all. Now this is a different brand than I'm used to. Last one I had was the one that was on the Black Widow truck, which was actually off my old black and green truck that I'd had for ages. This is a little bit different. I'm kind of digging it though. Looks like it goes here. That one goes there. Wow. Fancy. Liking it. Yeah, this might actually be a lot better than the last one I had. Probably too nice of a cover for this truck, to tell you the truth. It's not fully secured or sealed against the tailgate, but you know what? This tailgate could be warped, damaged, whatever. You know, old truck. Head's probably a little out of square, I'm not surprised. This bedside over here is actually not the original bedside. I had replaced it with a brand new bedside some time ago. Because when I bought the truck, it looked like it had been rolled over in a ditch, and I think it was. So this whole side, from the front fender back, was all caved in. I was putting the spare tire here, but just kind of in the way, honestly. If I open it up and want to throw something in real quick, and it had more room to play where I drilled the holes, and I thought about it, and honestly, I'll keep it back there. The jack's back there now because the jack's out of the weather. It's locked up with spare tire, so now I don't have the jack in the cab. That's a plus. One thing I want to find, I'm sure if I can find this, is a mini toolbox that'll fit between this part of the bed and the wheel well, which is not much room to put my tools that I carry with me in the truck that's behind my seat, as well as my jumper cables. That way, it's a box back here that can be locked. Nothing's gonna move around, go anywhere, and everything's out of the cab, and it puts that bit of weight back here, which was the point of the jack and the tire, but it just made more sense to keep it up there out of the way. So I said if I want to drop tailgate down, slide something in real quick, I got all this space to do something with. And now, since I still got some more of the day left, I'm going to clean the truck off a little bit, clean the wheels and tires, and tighten up a few things and check a few things while I'm at it. Cleaning everything, I realized there's one other thing I wanted to do to this truck, cosmetically. And I know a lot of people are against doing this, but you know what? I'm going to do it, because I can't stand the way they look. And that is to get rid of these ogre teeth right here. I don't like them. I know people scour the internet looking for them, but I don't like them. Never have. So I'm going to go ahead and remove them because A, it is a little bit of weight, not a lot. And B, I don't like them. And it's my truck. So I'll just put them on the old interwebs. And I'm sure somebody, if I can get these loose anyway, will buy them. It came loose. Yes, that's a bleeder. Came off pretty quick. You know, bolting off. much needed improvement for the old work truck. I think the front bumper looks better. I think the bed cover makes it look a lot better. Now, it should help with aerodynamics a little bit. A lot of people don't believe that. But these older trucks, from the 80s and older, I feel like that really does help because they weren't really built with the aerodynamics the later trucks were built with. Plus, I got stuff in there and keep them covered up, keep them out of the weather. If it's small, that'll fit under there anyway. It rolls back real easy, so I can easily haul bigger stuff. It's going to keep the bed clean. I can keep stuff back there all the time now. That was hopefully helping the aerodynamics. It does help improve the fuel efficiency as well. But I'm trying to get this to a point where I can stop fully messing with it, other than, obviously basic maintenance and anything that may come along the way, so I can get on these other projects. Because I'm narrowing it down to where I got my GTOs to work on, El Camino, and my other C10. So hopefully I can get to those soon. And obviously I'm going to keep messing with this, like I said. So I hope you enjoyed this episode. As always, thanks for watching.